In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba safely. Open your web browser and search for Alibaba. Click the first result that takes you to the official Alibaba.com site. Once you're there, log into your account so your saved addresses and payment options are ready. Being logged in also helps you see accurate shipping options. Next, use the search bar at the top and type what you want to buy. For example, you could type clothes women. Press enter to see the full list of products. For safe shopping, take a moment to scan the listings for seller ratings, reviews, and badges like verified supplier and trade assurance. These are good signs that you're dealing with a reliable seller. If you only want one piece, check the minimum order quantity on each listing. Look for products that clearly say the minimum order is one piece. This ensures you won't be forced into buying bulk when you only need a single item. Click the item you like to open its product page. Read the description carefully, including the size chart, material details, color options, processing time, and shipping methods. If anything is unclear, use the message option on the page to ask the supplier before you pay. Keeping all communication on Alibaba is an extra safety layer. When you're ready, click Start Order. Choose your preferred color, then select your size. If you need more than one unit of a specific size, use the plus button next to the size or quantity field to increase the number. Double check the total price, shipping cost, and estimated delivery time shown on the page. Click Start Order again to move to checkout. Choose your payment method. If you're adding a new card, select Add a new card, then enter your card details accurately. Make sure your billing address matches your bank records and that you're on a secure connection. Look for HTTPS in the address bar. Confirm your details, including your shipping address and contact information. Review the order summary one more time to ensure the color, size, quantity, and price are correct. Click Confirm, and when everything looks good, click Pay Now. Keep your payment and communication on Alibaba for protection under trade assurance, and avoid sending money or sharing sensitive information outside the platform. After payment, you'll receive an order confirmation. Save it, track your shipment in your account, and follow up with the supplier if you need updates. That's how you buy from Alibaba safely, from search to secure checkout.